Never mix cucumber with green apple unless you're ready for what happens next. Doctors never tell you what happens when you juice cucumber, green apple, and ginger this way. This recipe is not just refreshing. It can change the way your body feels every single day. First, cut 2 cucumbers into chunks. Then take 2 green apples and cut them into pieces as well. Leave the skin on for extra nutrients. Put the cucumber and apple pieces into a juicer. Now add a small piece of fresh ginger, about the size of your thumb, for a spicy cleansing kick. Juice everything until smooth and vibrant green. What does this do for your body? It flushes out toxins, hydrates you deeply, supports digestion, and boosts your immune system thanks to the antioxidants in green apple and the anti-inflammatory power of cucumber and ginger. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and you'll feel lighter, clearer, and more energized within days. If you found this useful, drop a "Yes, I'll try it" in the comments. Don't forget to follow and like for more powerful natural recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Do you know what happens when you combine carrot, apple, lemon, ginger, turmeric, and just a dash of cinnamon into one fresh juice? At first, it just seems like a simple, vibrant drink, nothing unusual. Most people enjoy the taste without realizing what's quietly happening inside their bodies. Give it a little time, and you'll start to feel something different, a gentle lift in your energy, a warming comfort through your system, and a boost you didn't even realize you needed. Here's how to make it. Juice a few fresh carrots, crisp apples, and a juicy lemon. Add a small piece of fresh ginger and a bit of turmeric root for that golden touch. Finish it off with a dash of cinnamon for a cozy, spicy flavor. Blend everything together and sip slowly. Drink this blend regularly, especially as the weather cools, and you'll notice stronger immunity, improved digestion, and a natural, lasting energy boost without needing caffeine or supplements. If you love this recipe, rate it from 1 to 10 in the comments. Wishing you vibrant health. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Why are people swapping their morning coffee for this banana drink? This simple banana coffee recipe can replace your energy drinks forever. This simple drink can completely transform your mornings and give you lasting energy naturally. First, peel 3 ripe bananas and cut them into small pieces. Add the banana pieces to a blender with 1 cup of milk and blend until smooth and creamy. Next, strain the mixture to make sure it's silky and lump-free. Pour the banana milk back into the blender and add 1 cup of ice, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and half a can of sweetened condensed milk for a delicious touch of sweetness. Blend everything together for another minute, and it's ready to enjoy. What does this do for your body? It gives you a natural energy boost, helps improve your mood, nourishes your muscles with potassium and protein, and satisfies sweet cravings in a healthy way. Drink this in the morning, and you'll feel fueled, refreshed, and ready to tackle your day without the crash that comes from sugary drinks. If you found this useful, drop a "Yes, I'll try it" in the comments. Don't forget to like and follow for more simple, powerful, natural recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
If you blend almond milk, cherries, rolled oats, Greek yogurt, vanilla extract, and cinnamon, you have just made a weight loss smoothie that tastes just like a cherry pie.
Say goodbye to kidney problems. Drink just 1 cup of this powerful natural drink daily to cleanse your kidneys, strengthen your immune system, detoxify your liver, reduce inflammation, and improve digestion. First, take 2 limes and cut them into small pieces. Limes help cleanse the kidneys and aid in digestion. Then take 3 cloves of garlic and slice them as well. Garlic supports immune function and reduces inflammation. Before continuing, please comment "Thank you" to support my work and encourage me. Next, add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of black pepper. In a pot, place half a liter of water along with all the ingredients. Cook over high heat and let it boil for 10 minutes, then strain the mixture and it's ready. Drink a cup of this drink every day on an empty stomach. You can add a teaspoon of honey for a better flavor. Let us know which country this video has found you. In just 2 weeks, you'll feel revitalized with improved kidney function, detoxified liver, and better digestion. If you like this recipe, drop a "Yes, I will try it" and subscribe for more natural medicine. Thank you very much.
Did you know that if you put 2 carrots in the blender along with 2 cups of water, blend it very well for 1 minute, then strain it to avoid residue or impurities and set it aside, and add the following ingredients? You're not just making carrot juice. You are creating a potent colon-cleansing drink that not only flushes out toxins, but also prevents constipation, boosts digestion, and supports overall gut health. Most people don't realize how something so simple can be this beneficial. Now comes the powerful second part of the remedy. Go back to the blender and add a quarter of a papaya, half a green apple, 3 tablespoons of ground oats, the carrot juice you just prepared, and 1 cup of coconut milk. If you don't have coconut milk, you can substitute with almond milk or oat milk, but avoid cow's milk. It can reduce the detoxifying effects. Blend everything for about 2 minutes until smooth and creamy. Drink 1 glass every morning on an empty stomach for at least 5 days. I want you to tell me, do you know any other natural remedies to eliminate waste from the colon? Share them in the comments. And if you liked this recipe, rate it from 1 to 10 below. I wish you a long and healthy life. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Never mix banana with carrot unless you're ready for the surprise. Doctors never tell you what happens when you mix carrot and banana this way. This recipe is not just delicious. It can change the way you feel every single day. First, peel 2 carrots and cut them into small pieces. Put the carrot pieces in a blender, add 1 glass of water, and blend well until smooth. After blending, make sure to strain the mixture to remove the pulp. You only want the pure carrot juice. Now comes the surprising part. Take 2 bananas and cut them into slices. Put the banana slices in the blender, pour in the fresh carrot juice, and add 2 cups of milk. Blend it all together until the texture is smooth and creamy. What does this do for your body? It gives you a powerful energy boost, supports digestion, and can even improve skin health thanks to the vitamins and fiber in both carrot and banana. Plus, the milk adds protein and keeps you feeling full for longer. Drink this once a day, especially in the morning, and in just a few days, you'll feel a noticeable difference. If you found this useful, drop a "Yes, I'll try it" in the comments. Don't forget to follow and like for more powerful natural recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Drink a glass of this powerful mixture and you'll be the king of every night. You'll last more than 8 hours non-stop and without fatigue, even if you're over 75 years old. For this mixture, the first thing we'll use is a little hot water in a glass. Then we'll add a tablespoon of ground turmeric. Next, we'll add half a teaspoon of baking soda. We'll also squeeze in the juice of half a lemon and sweeten it with a bit of honey to taste. Mix everything well and drink it 1 hour before going to bed with your partner. By simply drinking this powerful beverage, you'll be the king of every night. You'll last more than 8 hours non-stop and without fatigue, even if you're over 75 years old. Rate us from 0 to 10 after trying this powerful mixture. Thank you for watching. See you the next time.